introduction to our exercise physiology class at Cal Baptist University. My name is Amber Kilman, but will now be Amber Baxter. I just have to go through the whole process of my name change because I just got married in July. Woo! I am a high school swim coach and lifeguard at charter school, and I really enjoy coaching swimming, and I like to understand what the muscles and everything do to make your strokes better. I really enjoy it. I especially like helping kids because knowing that I can help them and I can change their life in some way, and when they're able to get something, I get really excited about it because I'm able to help them. I also like playing video games. That's a big passion of mine. Me and my husband love playing Soul Calibur and like those fighting games like Super Smash Brothers. We always try to see who could beat who, and it's always fun. I enjoy going out with my friends. I enjoy going out with my family. If shopping is a hobby, I am definitely a shopper for sure. I'm really excited for this class. I hope that I'm able to do well, and good luck to all of you as well, and thank you. This is my introduction.